Here's how you can silence your keyboard on your Android phone. So let me show you how you can make that work. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Okay, so it depends on which keyboard you are using. In my case, on my Android phone, I kind of switch between the Samsung keyboard as well as Gboard from Google. And the point is that those keyboards have their own different settings. So for example, if I use the Gboard, which is the case for a lot of people actually, you can open up the Gboard app on your phone just like any other application. Then you can see the settings for that keyboard only. So you can manage it right here, go through the different stuff, but you can tap on the preferences and you can enable or disable the sound on a key press. And that's the thing which you likely have in mind. You don't want to hear the sound, right? So this is where you can manage that. Outside of that, as I said, you might be using a different keyboard. If I'm using the Samsung one, I can open up my actual settings app and go through the menus. When I go to the general management, I can tap on the keyboard, choose the Samsung one, and in here I can manage the settings for this one. So as well, I have the swipe, touch, and feedback section, and I can decide if I get any touch feedback or if I get any other features which I do not like. So as you can see, I can manage the voice inputs and the toolbar and the options. So all of the stuff can be managed right here. So that is the important stuff. I just wanted to show you the way that you can basically like pick between the keyboards as well as change the settings for it. So I hope I was able to explain that. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one. And I'm gonna see you later in the future uploads as well.